Hello my beautiful family, welcome back to another interesting video. Today I share with you how to make this mouth-watering one-pot recipe that is high in fiber and protein. So guys, let's begin. Here is one of the star ingredients called beans. They are plant-based protein that helps to lower your cholesterol level, also reduce the risk of heart disease, improve your immunity. It got a whole lot of fiber and lots more, guys. So you go ahead and cook it until it is soft and tender. All right, guys. So moving on to the next one. Here is our roasted plantain. Yes, we're making use of unripe plantain, 3 of it. Unripe plantains are rich in nutrients like vitamins A, C, fiber. Also helps to boost your immune system, promote heart health, aiding weight management, improve your skin health, and lots more, guys. This is to tell you that this recipe packs a nutritional punch that you wouldn't want to miss, okay? Please note that you can as well use ripe, semi-ripe, or unripe. Yes, it is based on your preference, okay? And if you are suffering from diabetes or managing sugar level, please, it is advisable you use unripe plantain, all right? So we are done cutting into bite size. Let's set it aside. Now, moving on to the next one. In a clean pot or pan, go in with your red oil, your palm oil. Once it is heated, go in with your sliced garlic, okay? And give it a quick stir. Fry for a few seconds and then add in your diced onions, okay? Please do not skip that garlic, okay? It takes the meal to the next level. So give it a stir and fry for just a minute. Now introduce your scotch bonnet. Yes, your peppers. If you want it spicy, like very hot, increase your peppers or minimize if you do not want it that spicy. If you noticed, we've added our seasoning and salt. So once you've added that, go on and stir and allow it to fry for just a few seconds and introduce your chopped roasted plantain. Yes, this is our second star ingredient. So guys, let's allow it fry or simmer, okay, for just a few minutes. We just want to allow it to soak into the oil, okay? This is after 2 minutes. So now go in with your well-cooked beans. Look at how it's looking, very soft and tender. So you have to get your beans and your plantains ready before start cooking, okay? All right. Once you've added it, go on and stir to well combine. And if this is your first time meeting my video, you're welcome. My name is Ijoma. You can call me IJ or Oma for short. Here we'll cook, we'll bake, we'll do everything edible. So please do well to be part of this beautiful family, okay? You can do that by subscribing. Please hit that subscription button, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video. Thank you, guys. All right. At this point, we are checking after a minute. And look at how it's looking, guys. So delish. Give it a quick stir. Let's test for salt, guys. Very important. Okay, guys, we are adding extra salt. Yes, just be careful with salt so you don't oversalt your food, okay? Now stir to well combine. So delish, guys. We are almost done. Now cover it, okay, and allow it to simmer again for 1 minute. This is after a minute. Go in with some diced onions. Yeah, please, this recipe requires enough onions, so you can increase your onions, all right? Okay, once you've added your ring round onions, go on and stir to well combine. If you have watched to this extent and you've not given this video a thumbs up, please, you may consider doing it, okay? Please also subscribe. It is free, okay? All right, guys. At this point, we are checking again after a few seconds. go in with your diced spinach. Yes, your sliced spinach. Please guys, top in some fresh palm oil before garnishing it up with your leafy green. Okay, I skipped the part where I added a little amount of palm oil, so guys, please note. Also note that you can use any leafy green of your choice. It could be kale, you can as well use fruited pumpkin leaf or spinach just like I did. It just depends on what you want. Okay, all right guys, at this point our delicious meal is set, guys, so you take it off the heat. Oh my gosh, guys, this recipe is a must try. So guys, this is time to serve. You stick around and serve with me. You are going nowhere. Oh my, look at how it is looking, guys. Tell me you are not salivating where you are right now. Just tell me. Oh my gosh, this looks so good, guys. It is vegan friendly. In fact, this is vegan dish. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my. Now sprinkle in some leafy green just to garnish it up, guys. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, guys, and it tastes so good. Please try out this recipe and thank me later. All right, also remember to share to your families, loved ones, friends, for them to try out this goodie. Oh my gosh, guys, this recipe is a must try. Please give it a go, okay, and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Thank you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, follow and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Okay, now let's enjoy it together. Get your spoon and eat it with me, guys. This is so delicious, so delicious. I wish you guys can have taste of it. It tastes so good. All right guys, see you in my next video. Bye.